How do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? Make an HTTP request in JavaScript. You can use the built-in xml request object or the newer fetch method. Using xml request. JavaScript. Copy code. Const xhr equals new xml request. xhr.openget https://example.com/api/data. xhr.onload equals function. If xhr.status equals 200. console.log xhr.responseText. Else. console.log request failed. Return status of plus xhr.status. Semicolon. xhr.send. Using fetch. JavaScript. Copy code. Fetch https://example.com/api/data. Then response equals greater than response.text. Then data equals greater than console.log data.catch error equals greater than console.error error. Both of these methods allow you to send HTTP requests and receive responses from a server. The xml request method is a bit more verbose but also more flexible, while fetch is simpler to use for basic requests. If you liked the video, please subscribe the channel.